How to pay installment in Lazada using credit card. Want to shop on Lazada but pay in easy monthly installments? Here's how to use your credit card for installment payments step by step. So first start by adding your chosen products to your cart. So go ahead and select a product that you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy this. So simply select buy now from here and then select the variation of the item that you want to buy. And then on the checkout, you'd be able to find credit or debit card under the payment method. So select that. And then into the section, you need to enter your credit card number, expiry date, CVV, and your name on your credit card. Take note that a temporary charge of 1 peso may be made to your card. It will be refunded immediately once your card is verified. You can also save this credit card for easy payments for your next transactions. You can also choose not to save it by disabling the save card option. And that is how you can basically pay installment in Lazada using credit card.